Hi everyone, so this is the way we used to charge our phones. We used to leave it on the countertop, taking up valuable space, and the meter long cable was just very untidy, so we looked at a way to improve the process of charging our phones. This is a video we made last year showing a similar charging problem. In our bedroom there were only two sockets, one beside the bed and one that's mounted high up on the wall. It's easy to hit the snooze button in the mornings, so we'd like to utilise this socket, but at the moment it's not possible. We decided to fix what bugs us. Ronan started by sketching out his ideas on paper. He designed a part that would push fit into an iPhone charger plug. Once he was happy that it fit snugly, he used Onshape to design the final part and then 3D printed it. Here's our 3D printer in action. And here's our final part. So it has openings for the USB connectors and the phone speaker. It assembles easily and the USB cable prevents it from coming apart. Here's the final assembly, and this is it mounted up on the wall. So now we can charge our phones at night and we're forced to get up to turn off the alarm. It's a 2-second lean improvement that actually gives us at least an extra 9 minutes in the mornings. So this is the new design, and the two main improvements we made are that the charging connector is clamped in place so that when you pop your phone in and out it doesn't move, and we also made the cable a bit tidier by widening it around the unit itself. The new design means we can pop the phone in and out with no struggle. As well as charging our phones, it works really well as a radio as it amplifies the sound. It's also in a great position to look up recipes or follow how-to videos on YouTube.
As close to the root as possible. Nice, long.
Thanks for watching. We really love this charging unit, and if anyone would like the STL file, we're happy to share it.